I launched this video on copy trading developer wallets a few weeks ago, and since then, the response and feedback from the community has been incredible. I have personally found over 5 incredible developer wallets since making that video that have been making me consistent profit, and members of our Discord and of our copy trading platform have been experiencing the exact same thing. But since then, since this strategy has taken off so much, and since this strategy is so prolific in making gains, I've devoted all my time into creating a tool and a workflow that anyone can use to find a consistent source of developer wallets who are consistently launching tokens that do 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, even 100x from their launch price. It may sound too good to be true, but it's not. And the best part is, this strategy comes with extremely small risk, because if a token doesn't do very good and you enter at the top of the first candle, then you only stand to lose about 30%. If the token dies, you can sell it at any time and only incur a 30% loss. But if it does well, then the gains are enormous. If you can just find a developer who has a healthy percentage of good tokens versus bad tokens, then you literally have a free money machine. I don't say that often when it comes to copy trading because I want people to be aware of the risks, but this is the closest thing to a free money machine. And in this video, I'm going to take you step by step through my entire new workflow that I've developed since my last video that I haven't seen anyone else do anything like. It will save you hours of time and allow you to find the best developer wallets in the crypto space and consistently copy them in the first candle. And since I'll be taking you through the workflow live in this video step by step, we'll uncover a true developer wallet gem in real time who is consistently launching incredible tokens that you can plug into your copy trading bot tomorrow if you choose. I'll give you the contract address and everything, and even this developer's worst tokens are going to at least $30,000 market cap. This is truly life-changing copy trading stuff. I'm excited to be able to bring it to you. So if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get started. Alright everyone, what's up? In this video, I just want to introduce you to the new tool, the Dev Scraper, and to the new workflow that I'm using to find developer wallets faster than ever. This tool doesn't guarantee success. It's definitely hit or miss, but when you hit, you hit. And finding devs is hard. It's very time consuming. So this will definitely save you hours of time. And I've personally found 5 developer wallets, which I am comfortable trading with and which are making me money. And I haven't done that much digging. I showed my latest results in the Discord where I copied a dev that I found and I made $64. Not that much, but it was the first trade with that developer. I now feel more comfortable putting a bigger buy size. But let's go through it. So basically everything is explained here. This is a very simple tool actually. You just put in a Solana wallet address and then you will scrape the last 70 to 120 or so tokens that that trader bought. It will vary from trader to trader because it's just getting the last 200 transactions. If the trader only bought 12 tokens, then of course it's only going to scrape 12 tokens. So what you want to be doing really is scraping wallet addresses or traders who are consistently buying good tokens, because that means that the developers have launched at least one really good token that went to a really high market cap. So they obviously know what they are doing. They're not complete scammers. You will get a load of scammers and bullshit devs from this tool, and you will have to sift through them until the second part of this tool is built. But at least you are getting rid of just like the absolute crap, and you know that every single developer that comes from the scrape will have launched at least one successful token. So you're looking for traders who are consistently buying into high market cap tokens, or just, you know, any token that is the style that you like. If you like people who kind of like make those scam tokens who run to 1 million market cap and they just consistently somehow do that, and you want to find those devs, then you can do that. You can do whatever you want, but like basically what I'm saying is the quality of the results depends on the quality of the trader that you're scraping. For the purpose of this test or example, I'm just going to come to GMGN. I'm going to grab Cupsy if I can find him. I'm going to run Cupsy through the scraper. It's going to analyze his last 200 transactions and extract the contract address of every token he's bought, and then extract the developer from all 86 of those tokens. So you could imagine having to open up all 86 of his last trades and manually copy the developer address would probably take you a couple hours, while this does that for you in less than a minute. So that can really help. It can really help you scrape more and cover more ground and find more devs. So after it's done, you'll see developer scrape complete, tokens analyzed, developers found. So 99% success rate. For some reason, Wasn't able to find one of them. I don't know why, but that's just the results that come from the API. Then you can export the list of developer addresses, which will give you a list of the dev addresses and the tokens that they launched in case you want to use these. What I do, what my workflow is, which is working really well, I found a couple devs and I've only done it twice, is I'll just copy all these addresses. Then I'll come to bulk wallet analyzer, pop those in, I'll analyze all of those. Now it says 71 addresses and before it said 86 because obviously there were duplicates. So Cupsy must have bought tokens that were made by the same developers. So there's 76 unique developers out of this list. And now we will get the stats. Okay, so now you have the results. You see that there's 37 filtered results out of 71 because this is the Bulk Analyzer Pro that we use for regular traders. We are currently in the process of creating a specific analyzer for developers because different things matter for developers than they do for traders. So in this case, we automatically filter out any unprofitable traders when we use this tool, but we'll have one specifically for developers very soon that will tell you all the important information that I'm going to talk about soon that you need to know about developers, including the transaction count, which is super important, as you're going to see in just about 1 minute. So if you want to know where any of these tools are, this is the CopyTrader platform. That's copytrader.com with 2 R's. All the links are in the description to anything we talk about in this video. And we've got 12 tools. We drop around 100 profitable wallets every single day that you can filter and sort through by ROI, by anything that you want, by trades. Drop these every day for you. And we've got all of our tools, our simulators for analyzing and simulating copy traders. So basically you have the ultimate chance of success. So you can check that out if you want. That's where this tool is. That's where this tool is. But we'll have a tool specifically for analyzing developer wallets. That's coming very soon, but for now it's fine to use the Bulk Wallet Analyzer Pro. So what you're going to do here next, so what I'm looking for here is, I don't care about the SOL balance. What I've found recently is that a lot of really good devs keep their balance at 0 to trick people or to make snipers or copy traders think they are inactive, and as soon as they're going to launch a coin, they send Solana to the wallet and then launch it. So when it says 0 SOL, I really don't care. I don't care too much about any of these stats really, but I know that a developer is more likely to be good, and a real developer who's launching good tokens, doing good marketing, if their total trades is lower and their trades per day is very low. If I see 60 trades per day, 57 trades, they launched all of these tokens in 1 day, that's not a good sign to me. It's probably going to be a piece of shit developer, but maybe it won't. So what you can do is just, you can come through and check literally every single one of these with the workflow I'm about to show you, because you can do it very quickly and you can know immediately with this workflow whether a trader's trades have been good without having to open any of them. And I'll show you the trick that I've been using right now. So let's just start from the top. What you could actually do is filter by total trade and start from here. You'll probably have better success with these guys, especially the ones who still have Solana. But actually what's most important to me is trades per day. So the less trades per day, the better, because it means they are having more meticulously planned launches. And if you're doing it right, you're probably not going to be launching more than 1 coin, or at least more than 2 coins a day. So this one looked really nice, 46 trades and probably 1 every 3 days. I'm going to open this up and see when his last trade was. So he launched a coin 5 minutes ago, but he's got 0 Solana. So like I told you, he's been launching coins all day, but he only sends SOL to his wallet when he's about to launch. So, you know, you don't have to worry about that, but he's launching a lot more than it said there. He just hasn't launched for a while. So which is why it says on average, he's launching a very small amount. But here's where it gets good. Here's how you can tell very quickly if he's good or not without having to open every single one of his trades, which is very time consuming. Just open one in Photon. If you're not signed up to Photon, the link is in the description. Pop it in here. You're gonna have a quick look at it. Okay, it's absolute shit. You know, obviously we're not gonna trade with someone like this, but even if you did in a token like this, the max you're gonna lose is 26%. Still $11,000 in liquidity. You'd have no problem selling even at the very bottom. So, you know, minimal risk, but obviously you're not gonna copy this dev. So what you can do is you can come down and here you can select dev token. So this will show you all the tokens that this developer has launched. And what I care about, the metric that I care about that I haven't seen anyone else talking about, is transaction count. This metric allows me to quickly go through and pretty much know what every single trade is like just by this number. So I don't even have to look at the trade. I can just tell you what it looks like by the number. So this one with only 6 transactions, it looks like absolute shit. You click it and yeah, that's what it looks like. If you come down to one with 238, I'll tell you that one probably did okay. And there you go. If you got in here, since no one is sniping this guy, you would have got in this candle at around 6,000. You could have made 150%. So I can tell you exactly what the chart looks like by the transaction transaction count. So I go through real quick. I can go through, guys, so fast because I'm just going, okay, see the transaction count. Way too many low transaction, no good. This guy's no good to me, so I don't care. He's gone. So you see how fast I did that? You can easily go through everyone in this list that quickly and know like pretty much in a split second whether they are good or not. But to make that even better, we are going to have a tool in the next few weeks that will run all of these wallets through a tool and tell you an overview of their transaction and whether or not they're even worth looking at. So definitely check that out at copytrader.com with 2 R's. But let's go through another one. Let's see this guy, 97 tokens, 6.5 per day. Not bad. Still got Solana in his wallet. All you need to do again, open up OneCoin, which gets you to this dev token screen. And now, yeah, very bad. So again, right away, scroll down, single digits, double digits, no good. Next. So that's what I would do. But yeah, I would pretty much try to find first the guys with the less tokens created per day because they are usually the better ones. So this one looks really good. Good stats, which is a good sign. It means the dev is making money. So that's another good sign. Total trades, 19 tokens launched. That's very good. And about 1.6 per day. This one has a lot of promise. So let's have a look. Again, stats are very good. Been active for 17 days. He launched a token 20 hours ago. Still Solana in the wallet. I really like it. Let's have a look at Photon, see what's going on. Okay. Here we go. So wow, this guy launched a token 20 hours ago that went to $1.7 million market cap. That's incredible. You realize if you sniped him from the beginning at a $6,000 market cap, you would have made a 200x on this token if you held it all the way through. You'd have 100x right now, more than 100x right now in current value. That's wild. So that's what I want to see. Now I'm going to come down to dev tokens and wow, look at that. Look at that. All of those transaction counts are epic. All of them except 81. And not, even that one is probably not that bad. So yeah, you might lose on one token. Wow. 5 migrations out of 12. I don't really care about migrations as much as I do transaction count because I'm happy to make a 2x on a token that went to 30K and didn't migrate. But these, wow, this guy is incredible. You are all witnessing like an absolute gem being found right now. So yeah, even these ones that didn't migrate, 1600, I can click that real quick. I'll tell you right now, really good. Holy moly. Not that many snipers either, so you can get in around 8K and make 500%. If it does nothing, once again, you would only lose around 30% at an 8K entry. This guy is amazing. So there you go, guys. This works. I just found this gem in real time doing one scrape. Imagine scraping 20 different traders a day for all of the tokens that they bought. You're gonna find gems. So yeah, there you go. Even this one with 300, you know it's gonna be okay. Like you're gonna make some money off of these trades. Maybe not that much. Maybe you would lose on this one, okay, unless you had a very low take profit, but man, you're gonna win big on so many of these. It's really, this guy is a really good find. Yeah, so that's it. That's the workflow, and obviously it worked. Be careful trading this dev. I say that because the last video got 17,000 views, so if 17,000 people try to trade this dev, then this candle is gonna launch to like 1 million on the first second. This developer is gonna be like, what the heck is going on? Probably gonna change to a new wallet. So we probably destroyed this guy by making this video, but it was worth it because it's just like, wow, what a find. To find that on the 3rd try after the first scrape. This is what I'm talking about. Like that may not be the case for you. You may have to scrape for a day or 2 days, but just finding one wallet like this that no one else knows about or that very few people know about because it's only pumping to 8 to 12K, you can make some serious money. So that's it. That's the workflow, guys and girls. We're on copytrader.com. We're using the dev scraper. We're copying the dev addresses. We're throwing them in the bulk wallet analyzer pro for now. Soon there will be a developer analyzer pro. We can sort by total trades or trades per day. We can go through every single one if we want. We open just one up in Photon. We come in and we just look at the transactions and we know right away whether they are worth trading or not. If they don't have Solana in their wallet, but they've traded recently, then they probably will make another token. So don't get duped. And that's the workflow. It's really quick. It's really effective and nobody else is talking about it right now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want more workflows like this, more strategies, subscribe to this channel, join our Discord where our members are making serious money. This guy just made a subscription fee back on the first day. We've got 12 tools, 100 daily wallet drops, and we charge less than simple Telegram apps that just drop a few alpha wallets every single day. If you're serious about copy trading, this community is the real deal. We're all here to help each other grow. And if you want tools that are going to take everything to the next level, check out copytrader.com with 2 R's. But regardless, go out there, hunt those devs, get those wins, make that money, and I'll see you in the next video.